Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to do CrabQuest. This guide will help you navigate the steps effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. CrabQuest is a delightful adventure where you assist a friendly character in recovering their lost crab companions. By following these simple instructions, you will successfully complete the quest, earning fantastic rewards and gaining valuable knowledge along the way. It is a straightforward task that anyone can accomplish with a little guidance. To begin your crab quest, first ensure you have a few essential items. You will need approximately 500 gold coins for any minor expenses, though often none are required. Head over to the bustling fishing docks, where you will find the quest giver eagerly awaiting your assistance. Before you set off, make sure your inventory has at least 5 empty slots to accommodate the items you will collect during your adventure. Preparation is key for a swift completion. Once you have spoken to the quest giver, a helpful marker will guide you to the crab finding zone. This area is usually a beach or coastal region. Your task is to meticulously search for the 10 elusive crabs hidden within this zone. They often blend into their surroundings, so keep a keen eye out. When you spot a crab, simply interact with it to add it to your collection. Repeat this process until you have gathered all 10 crabs. After successfully collecting all 10 crabs, return to the quest giver at the fishing docks. They will be thrilled with your efforts and reward you handsomely. Expect to receive a substantial amount of experience points, which is fantastic for character progression. Additionally, you will often be given a unique and charming item, perhaps even a delightful crab pet to accompany you on future adventures. This quest is a wonderful opportunity to gain valuable rewards and feel good about helping out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.